everybody, my name is Miss Maisy and thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System for our virtual program Songs with Signs. So today we're going to be learning the sign language that goes along with the song It's Raining, It's Pouring. As you've noticed, we've been doing nursery rhymes for this series, and the reason for that is because nursery rhymes promote language development, and they're an early indicator of reading and writing success. So the signs we're going to be using today are it's raining, just raining, man, so we learned this in Humpty Dumpty video, man, bed, and then head, so hands like this, point to your cheek, to your forehead, head, and then morning, morning. All right, let's do this once slowly, and then I hope you'll join in with me on the second time around. So the song goes, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed with a knock on his head and didn't get up till morning. All right, let's do it one more time, and you can do it along with me. All right, it goes, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed with a knock on his head and didn't get up till morning. Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of Songs with Signs.